Hey guys, what's up? In this video I'm going to introduce you to the new option in the select tool in Adobe Photoshop CC 2018. So if I go to the magic wand tool, and what I see is a new option added here, that is the select subject option. So what it does is it selects the subject out of the image. Now what is a subject? It actually is the standard part from the image that you are in or you have opened. Now what I can say is this house in this image is actually the standout part and must be the subject in this image. So whenever I click on this select subject option, it's going to actually select this house. Now it really does a great job here, but around here it just selects the other parts as well that I can also deselect or remove from a selection from here. So this is a great addition to this new version of Photoshop. Right here I have this sculpture. Now if I'm to select this sculpture, if I can actually use a quick selection tool. Maybe if I use the magic wand tool, it will take me a few clicks to actually select the whole subject. But if I just click on the select subject tool, what it would do is, if I just click on OK, it will select this sculpture. And you see this selection is so fine. So this is an easy way to actually select the subject from an image. This option works so much better with the figurative images, like I have this image of Sahadid. So if I just click on select subject, it will actually select this subject from the image. Now what you see is the selection is great, but still needs a little more improvement from this hair part. So you can actually go to select and mask tool, and here with the help of refine edge tool, you can actually remove this extra portion of the hair, or maybe add some of it. So this is how you can actually work out a good selection by this tool. It also works so much better with the images of a lower resolution. So in here I got this image, and if I click on select subject tool, it makes a very good selection out of it too. And again, you can work on the hair part with the refine edge tool. This tool roughly takes a second to make the selection, so this is the first tool to use. So if you like this video, please hit the like button, and you can post the questions in the comment sections below, and subscribe to our channel as well.